Hi everyone and welcome back. I hope everyone had an enjoyable and healthy Pesach. I wanted to post this video before Shabbos, but I ran out of time. So just a few words on why we make a key or Schlissel Challah in Yiddish. On the first Shabbos after Pesach, it is a segula or Kabbalistic ritual to make a challah shaped as a key and even place a key, cleaned and sterilized, into a challah. This was the Shabbos when the manna, the food that Hashem gave the Israelites, not yet Jews, in the desert, ceased to fall. The key symbolizes that Hashem's gifts to us are locked up, and our tefillah is the key to opening Hashem's blessing to us. The act of making a Schlissel Challah is in and of itself regarded as a way of bringing down Hashem's blessings or parnasa or sustenance to us.
Shemor Shabbat Kodesh